Good day, sir. So this is my portfolio project. So from activity 1 to activity 11. So let's start here in activity 1 on how to download offline WordPress. So this establishes the foundational local development environment using tools like local WordPress or XAMPP. It teaches how to run WordPress offline for safe testing and development separate from a live server. And that's how download offline WordPress. So in activity two, make a simple guest book form. This involves building a basic form to collect and store visitor comments in the database. It teaches foundational PHP form processing, data sanitization, creating simple user interactive features. Activity 3, internal product list. So this focuses on connecting WordPress to an internal API to pitch and display a dynamic list of products. It teaches how to handle HTTP requests, purchase data formats like JSON and manage structures internal content. That's it. So in activity 4, student database. So here is this activity requires creating a custom database table and interface to manage student records. It teaches advanced database operation, custom admin menus, and the WordPress list table class for data display. And then here in activity 5, WordPress reader plugin. So in activity 5, this is a complete plugin development project that integrates a Reader API. It teaches full plugin architecture, including admin settings pages, widgets, shortcodes, and Ajax for live updates. Then let's proceed in activity 6, website development and management project. In activity 6, this covers the professional process of moving a locally built site to a live hosting server. It teaches migration techniques, DNS configuration, performance optimization, and ongoing site maintenance. Yeah. Okay, let's see. The next is the activity 7, e-commerce plugin activity. This implements a full online store using WooCommerce or a similar e-commerce plugin. It teaches product setup, payment gateway integration, shipping configuration, and order management systems. Proceed to activity 8, install and configure level plugin. This customizes the WordPress admin area to hide branding and presents a white label product appliance. It teaches dashboard customization, like in-screen branding, and tools for agency or reseller workflows. So that's it. And then in activity 9, install and configure WordPress plugin for 2FA. So this hardens site security by implementing firewall, malware scanner, and two-factor authentication. It teaches critical security configuration, monitoring for threats, and protecting admin access. And activity 10, install and configure Ultimate Member for user rules. This sets up a membership system with custom user rules, registration forms, and profile pages. It teaches capability management, content restriction, and building community focused sites. And lastly, the activity 11. Install and configure Chatway plugin for chatbot. This adds a live chat with chatbot system for customer engagement and support. It teaches integration of third-party communication tools, automated messaging rules, and lead capture workflows. And that's it. That's all the activities that I have. So that's all. This is my what's that? My final project from activity 1 to activity 11. Thank you.